In this video, I will show you the simple process on how you can download ParentPay on your device. Now to learn this, follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before moving on, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification in order to not miss any future upcoming uploads from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open a internet browser on your device and there you have to search for parentpay.com. And it will directly take you to the home page of ParentPay. Now from there you have to tap on three dots menu at the top right of your screen, and from the menu you have to tap on add to home screen option. Now you have to edit the name for your app and there tap on add button. Now go back to the home screen of your device and there you will find ParentPay app on your device. Now that's how you can download ParentPay app on your device. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.